Welcome back everyone. In today's Microsoft Excel tutorial, we are going to learn how we can organize our worksheets. We will learn how we can group and ungroup worksheet to streamline data management and boost productivity. So let's jump right into it.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
We can work with each worksheet individually or we can work with multiple worksheets at the same time. Worksheet can be combined together in a group. Any changes made to one worksheet in a group will be made to every worksheet in the group. So in our example, we have 3 worksheets in this workbook. We have the full data of the sales and then we have the item wise bar chart, and in the third sheet we have the sales performance of different sellers. And we want to group these 3 worksheets. For this purpose, first I have to select the first worksheet that we want to include our group. Then I have to press and hold the control key on your keyboard and select the next worksheet that I want to group. I'll continue to select worksheet until all the worksheets that I want to group are selected. Then I will release the control key. The worksheets are now grouped together. I would also like to mention that while worksheets are grouped, you can navigate to any worksheet within the group. Any changes made to one worksheet will appear on every worksheet in the group. However, if you select a worksheet that is not in the group, all of your worksheets will become ungrouped. Now, for example, if I made a change over here, like this keyboard quantity is changed from 3 to 5, now I can see this change to the item sold graph. So this graph also moved from 3 to 5. Now we will learn how we can ungroup the worksheets. For this purpose, I have to right click a worksheet in a group and then select Ungroup Sheet from the Worksheet menu. Alternatively, you can simply click any worksheet not included in the group to ungroup all the worksheets. And there you have it, an organized Excel world at your fingertip. Grouping and ungrouping worksheet can be game changer to your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks, and remember, an organized spreadsheet is a happy spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. See you next.